Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having an issue with your laptop device. This is your battery has expired, permanent failure and needs to be replaced. Strike the F1 key to continue or F2 to run the setup utility. There may be variations of this message, but the general concept is the same between all of them guys. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now in the command prompt window you just need to type power cfg space slash battery 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 report report, press enter. Exactly how you see in my screen. Now you can see the path that the battery report has been saved to. Just need to open up file explorer. Just need to locate the path guys. Just I'm gonna split this screen offside. This PC local disk C and Windows system 32. Double click on it and just need to navigate to this location. And now battery 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 report, double click on it. Now click on this always and it will be opens up a battery report. Just need to scroll down. I'm not on a physical laptop guys, so it's not showing me the battery usage over here, but this will useful if you are trying to troubleshoot and it's an unfortunate situation. Hopefully your laptop is still under a warranty. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.